The iterate pattern is quite fundamental to Agile practice. It's difficult to imagine any Agile team working without it. What an iteration is, essentially, is a time box. It's a cycle during which a team will be able to inspect and adapt their ways of working and the product that they're developing. And it's an opportunity for external stakeholders to determine whether or not value is in fact being delivered. The key thing to understand about iteration is that the time box itself needs to be kept as short as is reasonably possible, as short as is practicably possible. The reason is because you don't want to have work building up, being batched up any longer than is absolutely necessary. When you have an iteration, you have a period of time, a time box, during which work is kept in progress prior to release. The shorter the iteration, the shorter the time will be, the shorter the cycle time will be before release can occur, and the earlier value can be put out into the market, which of course is a good thing. We all want that. We want to have a stream of value where consumers are able to get what it is we're producing at the earliest possible opportunity, and we can maximize the return on investment. The iterate pattern is closely associated with the increment pattern, because every iteration should produce a potentially releasable increment that we can put out to market. And it's also closely associated with time boxing, because each iteration should of course be of the same length. So when we inspect and adapt our process, when we look back at the metrics we've been able to elicit during previous iterations, we know that we're comparing like for like.